my name is Camille and welcome back to my palace. Today at the palace, we have a nail video for you guys. Today we're going to be doing Gel X nails and we're just going to paint it a solid red color. But before we get started, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you're notified every time that I upload onto the video. Alright, so today we're going to use the Gel X tips by Modelone, acrylic nail tips. When we open up the kit, it comes with 4-in-1 gel nail glue, a flash LED light to cure, 500 acrylic nail tips set kit. So I went here and laid out the nails out. They come pretty like scratched, but I scratched the inside of it. Anyway, just a little bit more. I went ahead and prepped my nails. And I'm gonna go in with this primer for my nails. Now we're going to go in with the glue on the natural nail. Alright, so now we're going to take our tip, we're going to put some glue in there. Can y'all see me? Like that. And then we're going to put a little up at the edge, like that. Then, that's to the side. We're going to turn on our flash cure. And we're going to put this on a 45-degree angle. And then cure. Alright, so here again, we're just going to go ahead and repeat that process. Put glue on inside of our nail. And then, stick it to our nail. Cure it in the lamp. If y'all can see, it kind of moved on me a little bit. I kept it in here so y'all know that it ain't completely easy. So I had to go ahead and clean up the glue that got on the edges before I cured. And when you put that glue on there and try to stick it to your nail, you want to have that light ready to go. So I went ahead and did that. And then just repeating the process until all the nails are done. Next up is going to be clipping, filing, and shaping your nail to your desired shape. Ultimately, I end up going with the almond type look for these nails. Then I go in with my base coat and I go ahead and apply that on all the nails. And of course, I cure that. Then I go in with my red polish and I go ahead and paint that on all the nails. sorry y'all about these angles in my hand be half in and half out the camera. It is actually really hard to try to paint your nails, do your nails, and record at the same time. Yeah, so bear with me, please. And then, as you know, we cure that. Alright, for this part here, I decided to add some rhinestones to the nail. These were iridescent crystals, but the more I added or the more I took away, it began to look a little cheap to me, I guess. It just didn't look good. So yeah, y'all gonna watch me go through this process. Yeah, for some reason I just wasn't feeling it. So here y'all see me rearranging, trying to take some of it off. Maybe I had too much, trying to spread it out. But ultimately, I still just was not feeling these iridescent crystals on the nail. So I take it all off, and then I just keep it standard red, and I go in with my top coat. And then one last cure in the light. Alright y'all, nail cam, what you think? Let me know in the comments below. And thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye guys.